Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna try this hair out of the way just in a second here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a very simple yet elegant everyday makeup look. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with a primer. So I'm going to use a color correcting primer here. Everything that I'm using in the video is going to be listed in the description box below. So I'm going to put that all over my face as evenly as I can. Now I'm going to go ahead with the Cover FX highlighting drops just on the high points of my face where I want to highlight on the bridge of my nose as well. So I'm just going to gently pat it with my finger. That's a little bit too much, but I know. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead with color correcting at this time. So I'm gonna use an orange color corrector underneath my eyes and also around my mouth because I have lots of discolorations. Here I'm taking a little pink little beauty blender and blend all of that orange color as evenly as possible, and I'm going to squeeze a little bit of concealer, apply on both underneath my eye area and around my mouth, and I'm just going to gently blend it with the pink beauty blender like so. So for the BB cream, I am going to be using a trial pack here. This is from Jane Iredene, if I'm saying that right. It's a natural BB cream actually for acne prone skin, so I'm just testing it out in this video and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to make an in-depth tutorial about the particular BB cream in another video, but for today I'm just going to blend that all out. It's a little bit of a sticky formula, so I'll have to work really quick with this BB cream, but as I said, I'm going to do an informative full-on review on this product in another video. So once all of that is blended, I am gonna sing a song. I don't know what the heck I'm singing, but now I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder and tap that underneath my eye. Very little product. So here I'm doing the Beauty Guru signature move. I think I rocked it. And now I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Benefit pencil. So everything is going to be in the description box below. But I'm going to line my eyebrows. Not going to go overboard with this product because it's a very everyday kind of makeup look. So I don't like to overdraw my brows on a day-to-day basis. But yeah, so I'm gonna draw both of my eyebrows and then brush through it. So if I like it, I'm just gonna do some crazy movements here and then go right to my eyes. I'm gonna take that mauve shade in the Naked palette and just apply that all over my eyelid, just as a, I don't know, like an overall eyelid shade. You can also use this as a transition shade, but I'm not going to. So I'm gonna take the Tarte palette and take a brown shade in the middle and then use that as a crease shade or a transition shade because I love brown color on my eyelids. So I'm going to blend that very well with this round fluffy brush. Now I'm going to take more of that product in a very smudgy, dense packed brush and put that to the lower eyelid. So this is going to make my eyes look sexy and smoothed out. Because I don't like to apply too much of water lining or anything on a everyday kind of situation. So I'm going to do more of that underneath my eyelid, lower lash line like so. So now I'm going to take that coppery shade from the Naked palette and put that onto the inner 1/3 of my eye, just to give like a wet, shimmery, coppery look to my upper eyelid. I'm still blending it with another fluffy brush here and also applying the same product to the inner corner of my eye to open my eye even more. Now I'm going to take that pink mauve shade again and then take a big fluffy brush and then just blend over the previous eyeshadow just one more time to make sure there are no fine lines, no deep anything there. So now I'm taking the black eyeliner and tightlining my upper eye. I should master this, guys, at this point, but I still suck at it, I know, so don't judge me. So I'm gonna line my upper eyelid and create a little flick towards the outer corner of the eye, so that my eye looks elongated. Now I'm taking the black shade from the Naked palette and doing like a fake faux eyeliner look, using this black shadow here. So that's done. Now I'm taking a brown eyeliner pencil. So this is from Urban Decay, the 24/7 Glide On pencil, and putting that to the lower waterline, because I like a brown waterline rather than a black one, because that makes my eye look even more bigger and smoky. Now I'm taking a basic mascara. You can take any mascara. So this happened to be L'Oreal Paris, I guess, and then put that onto the both upper and lower lashes and make it a little bit fluttery. So now that is done, I'm taking the Bomb Cosmetics blush and putting that. I don't know why I am blowing to the brush, that's crazy, but I'm taking a little bit of that product and then putting to the apples of my cheeks with a little smile on my face, looking at the camera like a crazy gal. I have my little birdie here. She looks so cute on the camera, but she's really naughty. Now I'm taking the bronzer from Hoola and then ever so slightly contouring my natural contours of my face, just to highlight it a little bit, to give it a more definition to my face. Now I'm taking the same product and contouring my nose ever so slightly, just like that, and also sculpting my chin area to give it more of a sculpted, defined look. And by the way, my bird loves watching me putting makeup on. She just loves it. So I'm taking the Master Chrome highlighter here. Yes, this is good stuff. It is a blinding highlighter, but I don't like to put too much on my face. So I take a little bit on a fluffy brush, highlighting brush, and applying the product ever so slightly to the high points of my cheek and under my brow area. Yeah, and my bird is just not leaving my chain alone. She loves it. She loves doing that. I need to discipline her even more. So I'm going to take my beauty blender and also going to just blend all the highlighter, just to give it more like a natural look. Now I'm taking a lip pencil, a nude shade. You can do whatever shade you want. I selected the color that matches my lip. So let's see how it looks in 1, 2, and 3. Voila! So I've got a pink top in here. It's a very fresh color. I love. So if you like this video, please subscribe right now, and don't forget to like this video, big thumbs up, here, there, anywhere, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until we see you again next time in another video. Bye bye.